Hi everyone! How to wash our cat. When she lays down like this, it means she wants to be caressed or shower. Pero, ano lang ni, it's not really shower. She just feels so hot. So it's just cleaning her a little. Say hi to my friends there. Ito na ito little shampoo. Ayan. It's really very hot over here. So, napakainit ngayon, kaya gusto niyang magligo a little. She doesn't like to be, yung binababad sa tub. Because other people, binababad nila. Siya ayaw niya kasi gusto niyang i-caress. Nagre-record ba yan, Bear? Say hi to my friends, Bear. Hello, everybody. I am very behave. See? I'm gonna be smelling good today because I don't want to make this too long. I just want to show you guys that we are cleaning Prada. She's gonna be smelling good. Because she is such a good girl. Diba po? Good girl po. Ay, natatanggal ang mga balahibo. It's already 6 over here, guys. 6 p.m. Okay, wait po. Wait po. Hindi pa kami tapos, pero gusto ko nang tapusin tong video.